Namaskar, I'm Shohini Roy Chaudhary of Shohini Moksha World Dance and Communications, and I would like to wish all of you a very happy World Dance Day. As our heart beats, there's rhythm in our souls, and we all dance whether we know it or not. I would like to tell all parents, all children, to make dance a part of your life if you haven't already, because dance, music and art helps your academics better. Once you dance, however it may be, you may not want to be a professional dancer, but when you dance to your own rhythm, it creates confidence. It creates that I am ethos within you that helps public speaking, helps you debate better, helps you write better, read better, express yourself better. Similarly, in life, it is dance, art and music. When it is an integral part of your syllabus, it helps sensitize children into being better human beings, into being more inclusive, more tolerant, less judgmental, and to be at peace with themselves. In Austria and Germany, we had conducted a kind of research where music was made and dance was made a part of everyday life, and those children, never had any adolescent issues, never had any rebellious issues, and they were completely at peace with themselves. There was no bullying, there was no child feeling depressed, no one really feeling like an introvert. So these are the natural ways that a child can get their confidence, their I am moments, and excel in their academics and in everyday life, in making more friends, which is also an important part of life, and dance can enhance that. That said, I hope all of you have a wonderful World Dance Day and a World Dance lifestyle, where dance is integrated into everyday life, just some music put on, with yoga movements, with movements in general, or with finger movements. So it can penetrate your soul, it can make your surroundings better, and it can help children grow up to be better human beings at peace with themselves, and also, hone their skills, hone their attitude to life. Dance for everybody, whatever the circumstances, and dance when everybody is watching or no one is watching. Dance is the very essence of life. Thank you, and wishing you all a very happy World Dance Day.
रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि जुषो जहि
रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि द्विषो जहि
अल्लाहिरहम मौलाहिरहम 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 अल्लाहिरहम मौलाहिरहम
शयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशम् Vishwadaram Gaganasadrasham Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Amen. Dominus illuminatio mea. Amen. Dominus illuminatio mea. Amen. Dominus illuminatio mea. Amen. Vishnu, 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 Vishnu.
A dance on Durga, the lyrics taken from the Markandeya Purana to celebrate Shaktism. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Sansthita. And the way we have dealt with Ma Durga as a mother and someone who multitasks celebrates the ethos of all women all around the world. Mother Goddess Durga vanquishes the bull demon Mahisasura and restores peace in the universe. Our interpretation is that Mother Goddess and Mahisasura are both within our souls, within each one of us as the light and the darkness. And being imbibed with the Mother Goddess Durga means that we are strong enough, brave enough, and kind enough to let the light within us overwhelm the spots of darkness that might surface sometimes. In our production, Mother Goddess Durga does not kill Mahisasura, but forgives him and brings him to task. As we have learnt the quality of mercy not only from Shakespeare, that the quality of mercy is not strayed, but from all that the Sufi saints have taught us. Sufism being an integral part of my dance and what we believe in. Mahisasura being brought into order, we celebrate the harmony of the world, harmony of the universe being restored, kindness, acceptance, and inclusivity that is restored as we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's gospel. Where there is love, there is life. As peace and harmony, and Mahatma Gandhi wrote not about our past, but about our future. And I would say once again, where there is love, there is life. Let dance take us to these places now and forever.
झनु धीमित झनु त धीमित तरिगिरि गिरि तग झनु धीमित झनु त धीमित तरिगिरि गिरि तग झनु धीमित झनु त धीमित तरिगिरि गिरि तग झम तरि त 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 दिल ना ना दिल तरि किट तक धित तरि किट तक तुम तरि किट तक नम तरि किट तक तत् तरि किट तक धित तरि किट तक तुम तरि किट तक नम तरि किट तक ना ना तत्तरि किट तक धित तरि किट तक तुम तरि किट तक नम तरि किट तक ना ना तरि किट तक दिल तरि किट तक तुम तरि किट तक नम तरि किट तक दिल ना 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 तरि किट तक दिल तरि किट तक तुम तरि किट तक नम तरि किट तक तरि किट तक दिल तरि किट तक तुम तरि किट तक नम तरि किट तक तरि किट तक दिल तरि किट तक तुम तरि किट तक नम तरि किट तक तरि किट तक दिल तरि किट तक तुम तरि किट तक नम तरि किट तक तरि किट तक दिल तरि किट तक तुम तरि किट तक नम तरि किट तक दिल ना 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 ता किट झम धा धा नि धा किट झम पानी धा ता झम नि धा दिल ना 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 ता किट झम धा धा नि धा किट झम पानी धा ता झम नि धा दिल ना 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 किट झम धा धा नि धा किट झम पानी धा ता झम नि धा दिल ना 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 तक किट दादी नि ना तुम दे तुम ना 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 दे दे तुम ना 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 दे दे तुम ना 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 दिल ना 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 तक किट दादी नि ना तुम दे दे तुम ना 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 दे दे तुम ना 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 दे तुम ना 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 दिल ना 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 दिल ता दा नि दा नि ना दे दे तुम ना दे दे तुम भीम ना 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 दिल ना 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 तक किट दादी नि ना तुम दे तुम ना 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 तक किट दादी नि ना तुम दे दे तुम ना 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 तक किट दादी नि ना तुम दे दे तुम ना 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 तक किट दादी नि ना तुम आसमान में न दिल आना आसमान में न दिल आना मुरली नाद विनोद में न दिल आना आसमान में न दिल आना आसमान में न दिल आना मुरली नाद विनोद में न दिल आना कुंतल वराली राग में नदी कुंतल वराली राग में नदी समपनि धजा सरि धप मसा समपनि धजा सरि धप मसा समपनि धजा सरि धप मसा दिल ना 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 दिल ता दा नि दा नि ना दे दे तुम ना दे दे तुम भीम ना 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 दिल ना 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 दिल ना 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 दिल ना 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 दिल
No dance day, no dance session can be complete without speaking about Shiva, the divine dance muse that we all dance to. Shiva, the next piece will be presented. It's about Shiva, presented by all my dancers, all my students, many of them from across the world, because it combines us in the celebration of dance, of our souls, of our dreams, of our happiness. Shiva is the divine dance muse who holds the damaru in one hand, which makes the first sound of creation. The other hand holds fire, which can destroy and purify the universe. One hand held in the Abhaya Mudra to reassure the universe that He's there to sort out all chaos that can destroy it. The other hand pointed over the lifted up feet shows refuge to the disturbed soul. Shiva has a third eye, the eye of empathy, with which he can watch over all of creation. The river Ganga cascades down his matted locks, is a sign of purity of knowledge, just as river Ganga cleanses all that is around her. Knowledge helps evolution that lights up and purifies our surroundings. Shiva stands on the malevolent dwarf Apasmara and dances on him, which symbolizes crushing of ignorance. This dwarf Apasmara actually symbolizes ignorance and the illusions that it can create to destroy us ultimately. Shiva stands on Apasmara to destroy all ignorance, all delusions around us. He has the circle of serpents, the snakes around his neck. The snakes symbolize fertility as Shiva destroys all that is out of order to create new order, to keep creation, sustenance and destruction all happening in a timeless circle. Shiva holds the trident, which is also held by Poseidon in Greek mythology. The trident has 3 points to symbolize sattva, all that is good, harmonious, at peace, rajas and tamas, all that is passionate, all that is connected with activity, and all that is more static and inert. These are the 3 forces within all of us, and it is up to us which channel we energize. Shiva is also Ardhanarishwara, half man, half woman. He could be as sensitive as a woman, as brave as a woman, and also have those qualities of men, which also tells us to remove all the gender angsts. And a girl could play football and a man could be a great dancer. Telling you all of this, we move on to our celebration, to our prayer of Shiva, which I think completes all that there can be about dance.
नमस्तेस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्रयम्बकाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन् महादेवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय 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 नमस्तेऽस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकालाग्निकालाय कालाग्नि रुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन् महादेवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः ॐ देवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः महादेवाय नमः ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय